Hello and welcome to my video with cooking for kids. The host is Birk, it's me, and we're gonna make a national Danish recipe. Meatballs on Danish is frikadeller with some brown sauce and potatoes. I'm going to explain the things you need to make your frikadeller. First you're gonna need some potatoes, some milk, flour, pepper, salt, cumin, eggs, food coloring, butter, pork, and a beer because it's from a family recipe from my grandma. So we always use beer and some olive oil. Of course we need some oatmeal because it's good, and some onions because it's very healthy for you. Now I'm gonna show you the tools you need to make your things. Pan, blender, a knife, a teaspoon, a tablespoon, a fork, and a whisk. Bowl, a pan, and 2 pots, and a cutting board. Now I'm done with the potatoes, and we're gonna put a good teaspoon of salt in it. Now you need to get it boiling in 20 minutes to 25 minutes. And when they're done, you can stick a fork in them, and if they fall out, they're good. Now I'm gonna make the meatball meat. Now we are done. We have made some Danish meatballs, frikadeller with brown sauce and potatoes. And now this was all with cooking for kids. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see the next video.